Good morning. Let me turn the air conditioning off for a second. It is hiking day, yay! So I have my hat on so that I don't get sunburn and all that. I'm drinking Blue Ocean ketones this morning. I felt a little bit stiff this morning, but not as bad as yesterday. So we're gonna go for our hike. And Sylvie, say hi! Say hi, Sylvie! So anyways, Chris and I are off to do that, and I will see you later this afternoon when I make myself some lunch. Hi guys, it's just 6 o'clock right now and I'm not really that hungry. I just actually woke up from a nap. So that could be why I'm not hungry. But I thought I would have something to eat because we're probably not going to eat for a couple more hours. Chris is at some like gaming thing this afternoon, so he is out, and so I thought I would wait for him to have supper because I'm going to barbecue burgers on the grill, and then I'm going to cut mine up and make a salad. Big Mac salad, and then his, I think he's just gonna have actual burgers. So I'm just gonna have another one of these roltinis, these jalapeno snacks, because that was really good yesterday. I had one, and then I'm having about a half a cup of pecans. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna have as my snack. And then when I do the burgers, I will pop it back on and show you my supper. Hey guys, supper time. We are sitting outside and I'm having a Big Mac salad. So this is Primal Kitchen's Thousand Island dressing, some pickles, some burger pieces that I just cut up, and then the salad. So I'm excited to have this. Chris is having actual burgers, but I just wanted a salad. So anyways, so this is it for tonight. I am doing a 60-hour reboot for the next 60 hours after I eat this. So I'm going to probably record that in its own video. And so you probably won't see a video from me keto related unless I go grocery shopping or something or do some meal prep for a couple of days. So till Wednesday morning, and then Wednesday I will eat regular stuff. So you will see a video about that. After it's done, I think I'm just going to do it all in one video. So yeah, so anyways, I'm going to eat this and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.